Welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on an incredible journey into one of the most extraordinary natural wonders on our planet, the Amazon rainforest. Spanning across several countries in South America, this vast expanse is not only a haven for wildlife but also plays a crucial role in regulating our climate and supporting human life. Join us as we explore the wonders of the Amazon and discover why it is often called the lungs of the earth. One, the biodiversity hotspot. The Amazon rainforest is home to an astonishing array of life. It contains approximately 390 billion individual trees from around 16,000 species. But it's not just trees. This rainforest hosts about 10% of all known species on Earth. Key species. Jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas, crucial for maintaining ecological balance. Jaguars are apex predators that help control populations of other species, ensuring a healthy ecosystem. Amazon river dolphin, known for its unique pink color and adaptability to freshwater. Poison dart frog, these vibrant amphibians are known for their toxic skin and are vital in their ecosystem. Their bright colors serve as a warning to potential predators about their toxicity. The sheer diversity found here is unmatched anywhere else in the world. Each layer of the forest, from the towering canopy to the forest floor, supports different forms of life. Two, the lifeblood of the rainforest, the Amazon River. Flowing through this lush landscape is the mighty Amazon River, one of the longest rivers in the world at over 4,000 miles, 6,400 kilometers. This river is not just a waterway, it is a lifeline for countless species and communities. The river discharges more water than any other river on Earth, averaging around 209,000 cubic meters per second. It influences weather patterns and provides essential resources for both wildlife and human populations living along its banks. Impact on climate. The Amazon River helps regulate regional climates by transporting moisture across South America. Its waters contribute to what are known as flying rivers, which carry vapor that falls as rain in distant areas. This interconnectedness highlights how vital the rainforest is not just locally but globally. Three, ecological importance, a global perspective. The Amazon rainforest plays a critical role in our planet's health. It absorbs vast amounts of carbon dioxide, approximately 123 billion tons, making it essential in combating climate change. Oxygen production. This rainforest produces about 20% of the world's oxygen, earning its title as the lungs of the earth. Its preservation is vital not only for biodiversity but also for maintaining a stable climate. Regulating weather patterns. The rainforest also influences weather patterns beyond its borders. For instance, deforestation can lead to reduced rainfall not just locally but in regions far away due to changes in atmospheric conditions. This has serious implications for agriculture and water supply across South America. Four, cultural significance, indigenous communities. The Amazon is home to numerous indigenous tribes who have lived sustainably within its boundaries for centuries. possess invaluable knowledge about their environment and rely on its resources for their livelihoods. Traditional practices. Many indigenous groups use plants from the rainforest for traditional medicine, contributing significantly to modern pharmaceuticals. For example, compounds derived from plants like the rosy periwinkle have been used to develop treatments for cancer. Indigenous peoples also practice sustainable agriculture techniques such as agroforestry, which integrates trees with crops and livestock to create a balanced ecosystem that benefits both people and nature. Threats facing the Amazon. Despite its importance, the Amazon rainforest faces severe threats from human activities. Deforestation has accelerated due to logging, agriculture, especially cattle ranching, and mining operations. Consequences: loss of biodiversity. As habitats are destroyed, countless species face extinction. Disruption of water cycles. Deforestation leads to reduced rainfall and can alter local climates. Some studies suggest that if deforestation continues at its current rate, we could lose significant portions of the rainforest within decades. Conservation efforts, protecting our planet. Efforts to conserve the Amazon are underway at various levels, from local initiatives led by indigenous communities to international collaborations aimed at protecting biodiversity hotspots. Key strategies: protected areas. Establishing national parks and reserves helps safeguard critical habitats. Sustainable development. Promoting eco-friendly practices among local communities can reduce reliance on destructive industries. Global partnerships. International cooperation is essential for funding conservation projects and enforcing environmental regulations. Organizations such as WWF World Wildlife Fund and Greenpeace work tirelessly to raise awareness about deforestation's impacts while advocating for policies that protect these vital ecosystems. The future of the Amazon. Looking forward, it's crucial that we prioritize conservation efforts in the Amazon rainforest. This involves not only protecting existing forests, but also restoring degraded areas through reforestation initiatives. Innovative solutions. Technological advancements offer new ways to monitor deforestation through satellite imagery and drones. These tools can help track illegal logging activities and enforce environmental laws more effectively. Additionally, promoting ecotourism can provide economic incentives for local communities to protect their natural resources, while allowing visitors to experience the beauty of the rainforest firsthand. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of the Amazon rainforest. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more incredible documentaries that celebrate our planet's beauty. What aspect of the Amazon fascinates you most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. This expanded script provides a comprehensive exploration of the wonders of the Amazon rainforest, offering detailed insights into its biodiversity, ecological importance, cultural significance, threats faced by this vital ecosystem, conservation efforts underway, and future considerations, all while maintaining an engaging narrative suitable for a documentary format.